Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Zumrotus Sya'adah. Saya dari Prodi PAI Falkutas Tarbiyah IAIN Kediri. Saya di sini akan membacakan teks bahasa Inggris sebagai tugas mata kuliah bahasa Inggris saya. From VOA Learning English. This is the education report. The oldest Chinese public school in Cambodian capital, Phnom Penh, is the Tuanhua School. It has a Chinese temple and Mandarin language classes. But in Phnom Penh, Chinese usage is still behind English. There are good reasons for students to learn Chinese. They can work as translators or guides. For foreign visitors, they may also study in China. Across the city is the Zhuangzhou International School, a private Chinese-run school. Students can learn Khmer and Mandarin or Khmer and English. A staff member told VOA that more than half of the Cambodian children take the Khmer English classes. Many more Cambodians are learning English as their preferred second language. Hang Chuanaron is Cambodian Minister of Education. He admits that Chinese instruction is still behind English, even with scholarships to university in China being offered to students each year. He said, the Chinese students are very small in number compared to students who study English. Mr. Hang said, as China's economy grows, so will its influence. Chinese investment Cambodia has risen steadily. China will provide $140 million in aid to Cambodia. In 2015, Chinese tourists are the second largest group of foreign visitors, but there's growing economic and political ties between China and Cambodia do not necessarily lead to stronger cultural ties. For now, Western culture still operates dominates on the street of Phnom Penh. For VOA Learning English, I'm Jonathan Evan. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.